I have had, I'm not exaggerating when I say about 100 people message me asking two questions. How do you make things float? And number two, how do you make images fit behind you without stretching out or missing pieces of the image? So let's start with the how do you upload an image without it being stretched. So I've already pulled up, I'm on Google here. I went to Mommy Speech Therapy pages, and let's say I want to do B initial words. So I'm going to download this to my desktop. We're going to go find it on my desktop. There it is. I'm going to go into this image. I'm going to make it full screen. I'm going to zoom out of the image. I'm going to screen grab the image, including borders on all sides. And then going to choose my virtual background with the screenshot. And look, all of the pieces fit. Let's see what it would look like if I hadn't done that. Let's see what it would look like if I had just taken a screenshot of this vertical image without the borders. I have a suspicion it's going to be stretched. It sure is. So we've missed a lot of the image. So what we have to do is zoom out, screen grab with borders. Now, to show you how we make things float. We have our green background behind us. Mine is humongous. Yours doesn't have to be, but mine is large. Whoa, I almost fell. Okay, so we've got our green background. Then we've got our paint stick wrapped in the same construction paper that I did for the background. I have my little people Velcroed, and that way I can change whoever I'm wanting to play with. And I have a little box of characters that I've made on green construction paper and glued on top. So we've got our octopus, our jungle characters. We've got a whole box of characters who can come out. Some of them I glued on on laminated paper, and some of them I did on cardboard. I don't recommend the cardboard. It was a pain in the butt to cut it. So that is how we make things float. So this is a person on a stick. She's visible right now, or her stick is visible right now, but let's go to ice cream. Now she's a floating person, and she even can make me invisible. So that is how we make things float. I also make things disappear often by using a green t-shirt. That's the trick. So, yeah. Bye.